How are you? I'm Tracy Jackson, also known as a spiritual cheerleader, coming to you with the card of the week. And this week's card is also from the Spirit Animal Oracle deck by baron-reid. It is Dove Spirit, and it actually comes to us in protection. So one of the cool things about Colette's decks, almost all of them can be read both upright and reversed. So each card in the deck has double messages. When the message of Dove Spirit comes in the protection mode, it's calling for us to remember that peace starts within us. Even when our outer circumstances seem to be going astray, seem to be chaotic, we can establish that peace within us to bring the peace outside of us. And the more peaceful that we are within us, the more peaceful things outside of us will be. We are the creators of our reality. And when we perceive things to be chaotic, they will be chaotic. But when we perceive things to be peaceful, and when we're peaceful inside, that's when things outside can be peaceful as well. So if you're feeling chaotic this week, take time. Take time to meditate, take time to go within and really figure out like who in me is feeling, irritated right now, who in me is feeling agitated, who in me is not feeling peaceful, and speak to that part of you. Really show compassion to yourself this week in establishing that peace with yourself. Don't be so judgmental, don't be so harsh with yourself, but really feel into and establish that peace for yourself. You have the power to do that. It's within you. And when we go within, when we connect to our higher self, when we connect to our inner guide, that's when we find that peace. So really feel into that this week. This card can also signal a time when we have to be the mediator. We have to be the peacemaker for others. We have to show and model what it means to be in a peaceful state for other people. So when people see that we're not getting all agitated by something outside of us, it gives them a sense of peace and that they can model as well. So often we kind of get up in arms and we try to get other people up in arms with us. And this card is really calling us to be that peaceful light in this world, to be the one that encourages others to be at peace, and really look in those people who are not in that peaceful state, again, with compassion, not with judgment, not with critical eyes, but really, helping to see, what it is that they're fearing, and really speak to that, really speak to what they're going through versus, how they're acting, so that we can bring peace into this world. All right. I hope that helps you this week. Obviously, you can get these weekly cards emailed to you if you would like to sign up for my mailing list. I will put a link below. You can also get my Oracle Basics guide that will give you some keys and tips on how to prepare your deck, how to really get started with reading cards for yourself. And I hope to see you guys there. Obviously, this week I have a really special event going on. It's a workshop. It's actually happening later on Sunday at 1 p.m. And it is going to be amazing, where we really dive deep with some of the questions that we can get answered for these cards to help us bring more peace into our life, help us bring more joy into our lives, and help us to have a clear viewpoint on where it is that we're going as we navigate this thing that we call life. And I hope that you'll join me for that. I will include the link to that workshop below. Obviously, if you sign up for that workshop, you'll also be on my email list where you can get these cards weekly from me. All right. I hope you have a great week this week, and I hope that you're able to bring this peace to all this week. And I hope you have a great one. Talk to you soon. Bye.